We are rolling. I'm gonna try to film this one without my external mic just so I can see how the different sound is, because with that mic it picks everything up around here, but with this mic it's a lot easier for me to talk if I do this, or if I decide to talk this way, that way like you still catch my voice. Does that make sense? Because with the external mic, whatever's in front of me is what you're gonna get more audio from. So I'm gonna try it out without the mic in the meantime, or I might just upgrade the mic. I'm gonna eventually upgrade my camera to a video vlog 4K camera from Sony. So I decided to keep my Canon, and I'm just gonna go ahead and look into different options and just get better lenses and stuff. But anyways, bad news for the Civic. Still here, but I think I finally made my decision, and I think I'm gonna start partying out, because I got you. I'm not partying out. Civic's here to stay. It was bound to happen. My clutch finally started slipping. It's not how you think. I did a wide open throttle 4th gear pull on my wedding day with Hector. We went to go do some stuff, and then on our way to the wedding, there's 4 of us in here. He did a wide open throttle pull in 4th gear as well, and it started slipping like maybe 1,000 or 2,000 RPMs, and then it caught itself. And it was only in 4th gear. Every other gear, this car doesn't slip. And I don't want to reenact it and catch it on camera, because I don't want to make it worse, and I'm trying to make it last a little bit longer, which ironically, if you guys remember this correctly, I said last year that I need to try to make the clutch last until my wedding day. What are the chances that my clutch started slipping on my wedding day? The boy is locked down, black with a rose gold. So you did a good job, thank you. But still, I already looked into it, and I already reached out to E-Man. We already worked out the pricing, and when I'm ready, I'm gonna go ahead and take it to him. Now, I could take it to him now and get it fixed now, but the clutch isn't fully slipping all the way, so I'm not too worried about that. And I also have other things that's going on right now. Clutch wise, I was thinking about competition. I was thinking about the ACT. I know Rv6 has the retrofit flywheel. I think it's on pre-order right now, but to them, all you have to do is buy that, and then any Type R clutch, aftermarket or OEM, will fit the car, according to them. And like I said before in other videos, I was planning on getting the Type R retrofit clutch. I just didn't know how to approach the guy or be like, hey, so what are the chances of that doing? I don't know who that is, but he said hi. My boy right here said hi. Have no idea who that is, but hi. And I ended up switching my locations to this place only because it was a lot quieter, and there isn't as many people here anymore. Unlike that guy, he said hi. I reached out to E-Man. He said he can get this done within 5 to 6 hours in a day, and that is the biggest reason why I actually want to go to him. Really well-known guy. He's actually local because we're both from Ventura County. The Type R retrofit clutch has been proven to hold power, be reliable, take abuse, if I guess is what I want to say. So I'm actually going to be looking into that. I told my wife about it, and she was like, are you sure? Are you sure this is what you're going to do? And I'm like, well, yeah. I don't want to go and cheap out on a clutch for the car, especially for the car. You know what I mean? After that, because I'll have an updated clutch, I might be looking into going into flex fuel and doing a stage 2 tune. But before that, I'm also trying to get some dyno numbers on this car, just so I can have it on file, and just to give you guys more content. See what the car is pushing right now at this exact state. I think that would be pretty cool. I am going to be looking into going big turbo. I already made up my mind. I'm going to be going W2. When I do that, that's when I'll upgrade the turbo inlet piping. There's no reason for me to do that right now. I'm planning on doing that within the next couple months. Obviously, the clutch is going to come in within the next couple weeks. I'm going to reach out to him once I'm ready for it. Because like I said, right now, it only does it on 4th gear, and I don't want to push it to its max to where it starts slipping on every gear or wherever the case is. But I am still driving it to work. It still does its job. It's not really done me bad yet. I'm sure you guys have seen the posts, and I know a lot of you guys do not really care about it, but I'm helping my sister with her Miata. If you guys want to check out some of those videos, check the link in the description or click up here. That way you guys can check it out. I'm going to be helping with her. And if you guys saw that video, Her ultimate goal is to either K-swap the motor or possibly even go turbo route. That should be fun. I'm very excited to help her out with Project Chum Bucket, Project Miata, whatever she wants to call it. Also, if you guys haven't seen the video already, I am doing a $20,000 20,000 subscriber giveaway. As soon as we hit 20,000 subscribers, I'm going to be posting on my Instagram what the rules are, what you need to do. And first place is there's gonna be 3 winners. First place is pretty much going to be getting a Ktuner or a hybrid racing short or shifter assembly. Second place is going to be getting a shift knob from a Cutie or hybrid racing, any of their choice. And third place is going to be getting any 3 items off of that artgeek.com. This car is awesome. I really thought about it, and there's so many opportunities I had to sell it and upgrade to an R, or maybe even get like a different chassis, but just something about this car just brings me back. You know, it like I said, it does its job. It does everything that I need it to do and more. Any big mishaps or stepbacks with it. And about the clutch, it was bound to happen. It's something that you can't avoid, but if you're modding your car, it's technically not avoidable. So it was bound to happen. I'm not surprised. I'm not mad at all. Like I said, it was bound to happen, and I'm glad it happened on my wedding day, because I just find it ironic that I said, I hope you last till my wedding day. I'm still waiting on Car Use Design to release more aero flaps for the spoiler. That way I can buy that. The only next thing I really want to do to the exterior of the car, I know a lot of people want me to go carbon fiber, but I do not want to go too much carbon fiber on this car. I personally just want to get a Type R hood, because I like how the little hood scoop looks, and I think it would be a perfect add-on. Not too much, not too little to the car. So I know Saibon, they have a Type R style hood for this car, and it's all carbon fiber. If I decide to go that route, I might either paint match it, or I might even just wrap the car in general and just leave the hood exposed. Because I have been thinking about also wrapping this car, but because now I have to look into getting the clutch, obviously the clutch is going to be the first thing that's going to happen. Then I'll start doing some more exterior mods, like a hood, maybe even a wrap. The ultimate goal for this car is just big turbo. And like I said, I set up my mind, it's going to be the W2, and we're going to try it out. I'm hoping the trans holds up, because I know the trans is more likely to break before the motor. So I'm hoping the trans breaks up, and that's why I'm very careful and I drive like a grandma. Because if it goes, it goes. We'll go from there and we'll figure it out. You guys seem to really like the car reviews. So I'm going to be looking into doing more car reviews. I do have some cars that I'm going to be looking into. That way I can get them featured on the channel, maybe driving around a little bit. Racing, not so much until I figure out my clutch problem. So you're not going to see any more racing for any time soon. I mean, it's not like I do it anyways. We'll go ahead and catch you guys in another video. So I will see you guys in another video. Thank you for all your support, and I hope you guys have a good day. Peace.